following. Number 1. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks include beverages like soda, sports drinks, energy drinks and fruit juice. A high intake of sugary drinks not only expands your waistline and boosts your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease, it also has a negative effect on your brain. An excessive intake of sugary drinks increases the odds of developing type 2 diabetes, which has been shown to increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease. In addition, higher sugar levels in the blood can increase the risk of dementia, even in people without diabetes. A primary component of many sugary drinks is high-fructose corn syrup, HFCS, which consists of 55% fructose and 45% glucose. A high intake of fructose can lead to obesity, high blood pressure, high blood fats, diabetes and arterial dysfunction. These aspects of metabolic syndrome may lead to an increase in the long-term risk of developing dementia.